Hi, so I'm still sick. I'm really not feeling that well. I'm really exhausted, so that's why this is just gonna be a really short video. This is April 23rd, 2025, and this is gonna be day 289 of consistently helping people build consistency. One of the best way on being consistent is to basically just have a really clear time on when are you going to be doing your exercise, when are you going to be doing your studying, when are you going to be doing your practicing or anything, okay? And one really practical way to do this is to basically just set on an alarm. Here's the thing. Notice that one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent is basically we don't know when are we going to be doing it. We only say inside of our head, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing this after school. I'm going to be doing this after dinner. But actually we only procrastinate. We procrastinate so much. We say to ourselves that, hey, you know what? I'm just gonna be doing it tomorrow. Okay. We put the responsibility of doing the thing that we should have done today. We say that we are going to be doing it tomorrow. We put the responsibility into the tomorrow's version of us. We do not want that to happen, okay? Because here's the thing, the cycle just keep on going and going and going, right? The tomorrow version of us also say that we are going to be doing it tomorrow, and so on and so on. So when we just put on an alarm, right, basically it's going to be giving us a really clear sign when are we going to be doing the thing. Every single time the alarm rings, it's going to be saying to you that, hey, you know what, it's time to exercise, it's time to study. Okay, basically you are creating a really clear time when are you going to be doing the thing. It's not, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing this after this, I'm going to be doing that after that. No, it's a really clear indicator when are you going to be doing something. But here's the thing, just because you set on an alarm doesn't necessarily means that you are going to be following the alarm every single time. There are going to be days when you have already put the alarm, you hear the alarm rings, but you just don't want to do your thing. You don't want to do your exercise, you do not want to do your studying, and so on and so on. So how do we actually fix this? Simple. Basically, change the alarm tone into something that can motivate you. It can be one of your favorite motivational music. It can be one of your favorite motivational speech. Basically, anything that if you just listen to it, it's going to motivate you to actually do the thing. Because notice that when, you know, we listen to something that can motivate us, the probability of us actually getting motivated is going to be higher. And when we are feeling motivated, right, the probability of us actually doing the thing is also going to be higher, right? Hence helping us to stay consistent. But notice there are still going to be days when you don't want to do it. You are lazy, you are feeling lazy, you listen to the alarm, right? To the motivational song or the motivational speech, and you still don't want to do your exercise. You still don't get motivated. So actually on these days, actually it's still okay because putting on an alarm is still going to make you, the probability of you doing the thing is going to be higher. Because even if you don't feel like you want to be doing the thing after you listen to the alarm, the probability of you doing the thing is still going to be higher because you are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? You know, this alarm tone, it kind of reminds me of my reasons why I do this thing. It kind of reminds myself of, the fact that I change, right? The fact that I change this alarm alone, it kind of reminds me how much my past self have the expectation to me, right? My past self, he or she, right? He or she puts this puts this alarm tone, right? In order to try to make me feel motivated, right? He got some big expectation on me. He or she wants to make the current me, the future me feel motivated and actually do the thing. So that's why this is so important for me, right? I want to make my past self proud. I'm still going to be doing it anyway, even if I don't feel like I want to be doing it. Okay? So basically, that's how you actually be consistent, by basically changing your alarm tone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Join our Discord. You can support my work of creating long-form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. And for today's date, Authenticity post today, April 23rd, 2025, and Mimzar post today, we still talk about you post last 24 hours. Thank you.